For my science experiment, I am going to inflate and hopefully pop a balloon using dry ice and warm water. There's warm water in here, and when I put the dry ice, the gas is gonna come out of the dry ice, and it's gonna inflate the balloon and hopefully make it pop. If not, well, that's life. So, let's do this. This is harder than it looks. Can't even see the bottle or the... Isn't that cool? Okay, that should be good enough. Take cover. Hope it explodes. It's shaking. It's coming for me. Shaking like crazy. What the heck? Why isn't it exploding? Where's it going? How is it escaping? My ears are ringing. Look at that. Okay, so after my experiment, I didn't really get to explain it. So here's why I'm gonna explain it now. So first thing you need is a bottle of warm water, which you can use pretty much any bottle, like Dasani water bottle or something like that. We just chose to use our water bottles because it looked like it was easy to fit on. So second, you gotta put a balloon on the cap. So in this case, we had to put the cap on, and for the Dasani water bottle, you have to put the water bottle or the balloon over the opening because sometimes it wouldn't clip anyway. You put warm water in the water bottle, and then you tie the balloon to the cap. So we put warm water in there, and we got the dry ice, and you have to remember to use gloves with dry ice. It will burn your hand because it's too cold. That doesn't really make any sense. So then you take the dry ice, put a lot in the warm water, and you gotta fill the warm water up to like 3/4 full. And when you could use cold water, but it'd take a couple hours to fill up the balloon. So when you put the dry ice in the warm water, it will it sublimates, and CO2, it turns into CO2, and the CO2 it's hotter, so it fills it up quicker, like a hot air balloon kind of thing. And so the CO2 comes out of the water bottle, and it goes into the balloon and fills it up to the point where it pops. And then, yeah, that's